Come and see. Come to the paradise.
Where's the secret stuff?
But I need more.
What's the rarest tool you have in here? How much was the thing you bought?
500 something.
What did you buy?
Electric ratchet.
So one ratchet was 500 bucks?
This is not one.
You think Snap-on is a ripoff?
Rip off? I don't know.
What the hell? Is that Luis? He's gonna die for that. That's it.
Hey, you're slimy. It's Snap-on.
Why are you looking at me like that? Why is looking
How
at me?
come whenever this is how Luis walks home.
When I ask it, when
Stop it.
Okay, and then when the camera comes,
You guys give Luis energy. You guys give him positive energy. That's
this
why.
is tired walking, and this is
your dealer's coming.
last time I lost a tool, so I buy another one. Thank you, sir.
You owe 50 bucks?
No more.
No more?
That's it.
Alright guys, we are standing another brand new Mercedes Benz S580. We've been doing a lot of these lately. They're gorgeous cars. They drive like Rolls Royce and the price is barely priced. So this one is a satin black wrap, full satin black. As you can see, gloss black on a lot of the accents. We kept a lot of it gloss black, the full front grille. A lot of little tidbits everywhere that you probably can't see because of the camera, but in person there's a lot of gloss black everywhere. Car is slammed, of course, drives still amazingly well, and we have a set of 22-inch RDB wheels. These are 3-piece configuration. They have a polished lip with a gloss black center, and they feature custom floating caps with the Mercedes Benz in the middle. So really gorgeous wheels on this car. I haven't seen this setup yet. Most people just put black wheels on it, and we went ahead and did the polished lip with the black center. We also smoked the rear tail lights, something we don't often do, but the customer wanted to smoke it, so we smoked the rear tail lights. Honestly, it looks really good on this car too. So yeah, there you have it. New Mercedes Benz, killing it. These are really good cars. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this gorgeous Ferrari F8 Tributo. This is a coupe. This car came to us with 60 miles on the odometer. Wanted to do a full clear bra, of course, protect this beauty. It's a very expensive car and the prices are going up, so you gotta protect it. So it has a full clear bra on there. SunTech, best quality out there. It also has custom 21, 22-inch wheels. It also has Novitec springs, so it's slammed on the 21, 22-inch configuration. It also has a full IP exhaust system, full heat shielded up from the cap pipes all the way to the muffler. Everything has a heat blanket over it. Really good job by IPE. Sounds amazing. It's connected to the factory valve system as well, so the vehicle is controlling that system. Honestly, it's not too loud. It sounds amazing. I'm actually really surprised how well it sounds for the F8. Normally, they're super loud with the straight pipes. This is not like that. So yeah, we are daily finding new areas around the shop. We don't go far away. We're actually about 1 mile away from the shop right now. Sounds like Sarkis farting. So yeah, there you have it. This car has 60 miles. Oh, one last feature I gotta show you guys is the inside. We did a starlight roof on this F8. So there you have it. Stars in the ceiling of this Ferrari F8. Obviously you can turn it off and on. It looks factory. Turn it on. It even has shooting stars. You can change the color, whatever you want. So obviously the white is the nicest setting. But as you can see, yeah, starlights look factory. Off, so you don't have to worry it's a Ferrari. And when you want it on, you turn it on. Driving this brand new F8 after finishing up all the work on it. This belongs to a good customer of mine, Carlos. He's owner of top of the line Frenchies. He has craziest Frenchies. He breeds them. If you guys are looking for Frenchies, hit him up. Top of the line Frenchies on Instagram. Yeah, he's got a lot more crazy whips coming up. SF90 project, Urus wide body project. So this is the first of many. But yeah, this is a gorgeous car. Interior is gorgeous. It's getting a little dark out. Wanted to also talk about the calendar, or carlender we're gonna call it. We've always had a request for doing an RDB calendar, and we are going to do that for the year of 2022. So we're releasing it now. It's gonna be a pre-order. We're gonna do a 3-4 day pre-order, and then we're gonna close it back up. So you wanna get our calendar before the end of the year, you're gonna do this pre-order. The calendar features the top 12 builds we think of RDB in 2021, and they are really, really good cars. They're cartoonized, so there's every page is a different color. You guys are really gonna enjoy it. So get on the website and order it now.